Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami self-balancing bird toy model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this origami self-balancing bird toy model, we'll need a A4 sheet of paper. Actually, you don't even need an A4 sheet of paper, you just need a strip from the A4 sheet, a 6 centimeter strip. So let me show it to you. I have already drawn a line here, and this is 6 centimeter from the top till here, and we'll be cutting this, and we just need this strip. So let me cut this and I'll be back. So guys, here I've cut the 6 centimeter strip, and we don't need these, so let's put aside. This is what we need. So first we'll fold from the center like this along the horizontal axis. This is a long strip, so fold it part by part so that you get a symmetric fold like this. Press it tightly. Now fold it half. Open it back. Now you fold like this. You have this side, right side flap, left side flap. These you fold it along the center which you just folded. You can take reference like this and then fold it like this. Make sure that it is exactly symmetric, otherwise it would be a bit shaky when the final model is created. Like, it won't balance properly if it is not exactly symmetric. So try to make all folds precise and proper. Open this, and let's open this as well. Alright, now you have these creases here, so we make it like this. Similarly over here. This is how it looks. You get this small square, keep it this way, and this is how it looks. Alright, now you fold this side and this side like this internal fold. Make sure this is proper. Yeah, like this. Similarly this side. Okay, so after this we'll be making the wings. See, as you can see, it's slightly went asymmetric, but it's okay, I think. So this, now you need to fold it from this point here like this, in this fashion. Let's do one thing, let's do a proper fold here. Yeah, and now let's fold it. This will make sure that your bird balances properly. The symmetricity is must in this. And fold it along this side as well. Try to be as symmetric as possible from here, like this. This is how it looks. Now from here, this line, basically fold it so like this. So you start from here, from the tip, fold it, and you can make a crease here like this. Now it will be easy to fold. Same thing we repeat on this side. So from this point till this point, so just fold this flap like this. And alright, so this is how it looks after folding on both sides. I think here it is not symmetric. Let me just handle it a bit. Yep. So now we turn this like this. Fold this tip, this entire tip, to match this lane. Let me focus it a bit. Alright, so like this you fold this tip and then you put it inside like this. Similarly you do it on this side. So let me show it to you clearly. Oops, wait, let me just adjust the exposure. Yeah, this should be fine. So we are holding like this and we folded it here. So this tip you fold it till the bottom like this. It makes a triangle here, and then you open this and put it inside. Pack it back, press it. This is how it looks. Now we fold this from the center like this. Like this, and here you open this portion and make a mouth or beak or neck, whatever you call it as, for the bird, like this. This is how it looks. And now you just turn these slightly like this, and that's it. This is the final self-balancing bird toy model. Here it will balance it here like this. Oh, it is not balancing, so let's make this slightly towards the lower end. Yeah, hey, as you can see, this self-balances. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and this is the self-balancing origami bird toy model. Catch you guys in next video. Take care. So guys, I hope you loved it. It's a very easy toy to make it and it looks really beautiful. So go ahead, make one and enjoy origami, but don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.